So a few days ago, we created this movie recap together using Viral Kid AI. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually create your own YouTube channel where you'll be uploading movie recaps, and not just create it, but be able to brand it so it actually looks decent and can make you up to $1,000 plus every single month as a total beginner. However, you need to put in the work to actually achieve this goal. So right now, I'm on my screen right now, so I will need to create a fresh Gmail account to actually go about this entire process. So for you necessarily don't have to create a fresh Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account that it's okay for you to actually use to set up a YouTube channel, just go ahead and use that email. So now once you come over to YouTube like this, you click on where it says sign in, because if you just created a fresh Gmail account, it will actually request you to actually sign in. So once you click on sign in, you click on your profile picture like this, and you're going to see the option that says create a channel. Now just click on it to create a channel. Now your channel name and then your channel handle, very important. So now inside ChatGPT, here's what I want you to do. Click on where it says project, and then click on the plus sign. Now create a fresh project. Now the reason I want to actually create a project inside ChatGPT is because when you create a project, you can actually gather every single thing that has to do with that project inside it, which makes it very organized. The project movie recap, because that is basically what I want to use it for. So I'll just click on create project. So here's the first message I'm basically sending to ChatGPT, as you can see on your screen right now. And then from here, just click on send. So now you can see that our ChatGPT just gave you names for your channel. So from here, you just pick any of them that actually suits you. Now I would advise that whatever name you are picking, let the name have recap in it. I think having a name that has recap in it makes it easier for people to actually recall and always go back to your channel. So if you want to do movie recaps, I would say it's very important that you go with a name that has recap in it. So from here, I'll just take a look and I pick anyone that actually fits me, then I will customize it. So I'll just have it all written together, P movie recaps. Okay, so I have this username available, P movie recaps. Now from here, the next thing is simply their profile picture. So now I'll just copy the name that I picked, and then I'll come back to ChatGPT, and then I'll just give it. So now I'll just send this prompt here. I say kindly design a YouTube profile picture for the name P movie recaps. Then I'll add red will be a great color for the channel branding. Now in this particular session here, I'm actually telling ChatGPT that it should make the profile picture for us. And what's telling to make the profile picture for me, I like having everything on my channel very organized, so I pick particular colors that I use for each of my channels. Now for movie recaps, most of the times I'll be talking about action movies, so red is very important, so I pick red as my main color that will be on the channel. So now right now you can see that our ChatGPT is done making the cover photo for us, the profile picture for us. So we'll just click on where it says share, and then I'll just download it. So let me just click on download. So now that I have the profile picture also downloaded, I'll just click on select picture, and then you come over to where it says from computer. If you're on your phone, it is going to show from phone, and then I just head over to desktop, and then come over to the folder, and here is it. Now here is it. You can see that our ChatGPT gave you a size that perfectly fits YouTube requirements. So just click on done. From here, I'll just hit on create channel. Now that the channel is created, now we need to go down and do some of the most important things, which is actually the basic settings that you need to have for your YouTube channel, so that YouTube can also easily understand where your channel is about. And to do this, you come over to your YouTube profile, and then look at where it says YouTube Studio, and then just click on continue. Now inside your YouTube Studios, all you need to do is simply come over to where it says customization. Now you need to create your cover photo as well. Now to do the cover photo, I'll also come back to ChatGPT, and I'll say also design a cover photo. Now to be clear with you guys, I'm actually using ChatGPT free version. You can see it right under here. I'm using the free version. So I'll just click on send. Here's something in case you don't want to go through this stress of starting a fresh channel and growing from zero. It's very simple. All you need to do is simply check the contact details below and actually reach out to me. I say already monetized YouTube channel. Now your budget determines what you actually get. Now this channel's prices start at an average of $200 upwards for an already monetized channel. Now guys, as you can see, our cover photo is also ready. Now just click and download it as well, and then download straight up to the same folder, cover, and come back to YouTube channels, and then over here where it says upload cover photo, I'll pick it up. And now you can see cover photo actually varies by size. Now on mobile, this is what it's showing that it's actually going to show, meaning based on the design ChatGPT gave us here, it's only people on bigger screen that can actually see it fully. So you can see I just send it right now. Now from here, we need to do other important things, which is your channel description, your custom URL, and every single thing. So here I'll come back to ChatGPT and say, so I did not type it all, but ChatGPT will get it at the end of the day. So here's the channel description. and then I'll copy it, and I'll just paste it in here. Now make sure to read through and do whatever fixing that is required. Now from here, you take a look at whatever thing that you want to do. Here you need to add your other social links. Now where it says contact email, I always advise you add your email address there. Now this place actually helps brand. If brand wants to contact you for sponsorship or something, this is a section of your channel they actually go to get this detail to actually contact you. So I always advise that what you have an email ready there, so in case anybody wants to contact you for sponsorship or any sort of contract, they can just get your email easily. Now let's get back to working. So now once this is done from here, that means we are done with all of these setups. We can just click on where it says publish. Okay, so now I'll just click on view channel. Let's actually see how our channel looks. Well, this is how it actually looks. Now I'll go and fix up my cover photo later. Very important, so I'll fix it up. Now here is it. We just finished setting up our YouTube channel. So guys, this is basically it. We just finished setting up our YouTube channel, adding all the necessary descriptions and things that are to be added. Now there's still one simple thing left, which is something we need to do in the channel settings. So now let's head over to the settings as well. So now to go over to your channel settings, the same YouTube studio that we are, come over to where it says settings. Now inside here, your channel currency, US dollar, of course. Channel here. Now country of residence, always pick any country of your choice. Now I've been meaning to try using US as my country of residence. Let me see how it actually works. I've done it on my main channel before, so now I'll just pick US as my country of residence. You can use Ghana. My main channel is actually set to Ghana, so I'm not sure this is really important for anything. Now over here they say the tags. Now for the tags, which is it tags or keywords? Let me look at it again. Okay, so for the channel keywords, also on ChatGPT. So I'll just tell ChatGPT to also generate channel keywords. So here are the keywords. I'll just click on copy, come back to my channel here, and then I'll just paste them in. Now they say we need 500, but ChatGPT give us 700. So now let's remove some repeated ones. So I usually say filter to the most relevant 10. Not all of them are actually worth it. So 10 tags or 10 keywords is usually okay for me. Now I'll put it in here. Now that is it. So next up, come over to advanced settings. Now always set your channel. No, this channel is not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is made for kids. Now always keep it like this. Now over here it says Google Ads linking. Now it's not really important. Automatic doubling. So this one actually helps them translate your video in different language. I allow viewers to clip my content. Yeah, I always like it when people clip my content, so I will leave it like that. And then from here, I'll come over to feature eligibility. Now you are eligible now videos over 15. So to upload videos that are over 15 minutes, you have to reach up with some requirement here, which is verifying your phone number. This is the only way you can upload videos that are about 15 minutes or longer, and I always advise you do this. So for this, just click on it says verify phone number. Now here you need to enter your country, then I'm going to insert my telephone number. Okay, you say it looks like you're already verified. We don't need to send you a code. You are all set. So if I come back here, you see that that has been enabled. Now advanced features, come over here. Now they say to qualify for this, you need to do video verification, valid ID, and a channel history. Now I say appealing content ID claims. Now with this one, you'll be able to appeal for content ID claims, external links. You'll be able to put link in your YouTube video description, and then you'll be able to embed live stream, create more live streams daily, create more shorts daily, A or B testing of titles and thumbnails, upload more videos daily. So in order for you to access all of these features, you need to come and do what we call the video verification you need a valid ID and then a channel history. So for me, okay, you only need one of these actually, a video verification or valid ID. I always go with the ID option. So from here, I'm not going to do this on this channel right now, so you can go do it later. Just click on where it says feature and then you do it. Now just click on save for the moment.